Hi friends, today we discuss these questions, direct speech and indirect speech sentences. He says, I love to study. Okay, so here he says this is main class. He says this is main class and I love to study is subordinate class. I love to study is subordinate class. Right. What is the reported verb here? Says. This is reported verb. Okay. So here the reported verb is in present tense. As the reported verb is in present tense, the tense of the subordinate clause will not change. The tense of the subordinate clause will not change. So now here he says, remove the comma and inverted commas. Then I love to study. It is assertive sentence. So in assertive sentence, when the subordinate clause has assertive sentence, we should write the conjunction that. Okay. He says that. Next here the pronoun is I. I is speaker word. Who is the speaker here? He. So we replace I with he. He love. Here the subject is third person singular. So the verb add with s. He loves to study. Okay, this is the indirect speech. He says that he loves to study. He says that he loves to study. Okay, coming to second question. He said to Gopi, where are you going now? Here he is speaker, Gopi is listener. He said to Gopi. What is the main clause? He said to Gopi. Next subordinate clause. Where are you going now? Okay, the subordinate clause has interrogative sentence begin with the WH word. Okay, so here he, the reported verb said to, reported verb is in past tense. The reported verb said to change to asked. He asked Gopi. He asked Gopi. Remove the comma. Next, which conjunction we use here? This is interrogative sentence. Begin with the WH word. So the same WH word itself used as the conjunction here. Okay. He asked Gopi where. Subject you. Here you listener word. Listener is Gopi. So replace he. Right. Gopi is third person singular. So he. Next here this is present B form. When the reported verb is in past tense, present B form changed to past B form. So now it is he was. He asked Gopi where he was going. Now changes to then. Where he was going then. Okay. He asked Gopi where he was going then. Next, third question. Mahatma Gandhi said, poverty is the worst form of the violence. Poverty is the worst form of the violence. So here the subordinate clause has a quotation which is given by Mahatma Gandhi. The subordinate clause has, it is a quotation. It is a quotation. Okay. So when the subordinate clause has quotation, proverb, habitual actions or historical events, the tense of the subordinate clause will not change. So now, although here the reported verb is in past tense, the subordinate clause has the quotation, so there is no change in the tense of the subordinate clause. So now the indirect speech is Mahatma Gandhi said, conjunction that, as it is assertive sentence that. Next, remaining sentence, poverty is the worst form of the violence. Okay. Do you understand? Thank you all.